So today I am very happy to come and inaugurate this Lal Bagh flower show on the eve of Independence Day, which will be here for almost, which will be there for 10 days. This is a big history. Hyderali laid the foundation for this Lal Bagh. Britisher continued it, and now Karnataka government is developing it. We have been coming out. This is a very historic place where a lot of issues have been taken up. This year theme is Ganga dynasty. The Gangas are basically the farmer community from the southern India. All these, they have a big history. They have fought, they have struggled, they have stood for culture, and every section of the society was being taken together. This is a great history of the Indian epic stories. So I'm very happy my horticulture department has worked out this theme and I agree to this. I request all the citizens of Bangalore and the state of Karnataka and everywhere to come here, spend their time, a good weather, good culture, lovely. The theme has been produced here to show to the people of the state. And Ganga dynasty lies with the Karnataka history also. So I'm very happy. I want all of you to be a part of this great event. So I've decided to have three more like this Lal Bagh, which will be a name of different place. One, I am requesting the Defence Ministry. Already, Honorable Prime Minister has given one consent for the defence land in Varanasi. On the same, I am requesting, and two more places we have identified from the Forest Department. And in my this tenure, I wanted to start that new parks, which is compared to such Lal Bagh. So the Forest Department also has in principle agreed. So the Bangalore City Corporation and the BDA, the GBA, will take up this responsibility along with the Horticulture Department. This is what we wanted to contribute to the people of Bangalore in this in this decade.